how to activate product key on Steam. So here I have just logged into my account, into my Steam account, and I've opened up the application. What we want to do is click on games here before help, and you will see an option to activate a product on Steam, redeem a Steam wallet code, or manage gifts and guest passes. So this one you can probably figure out what it means. Redeeming a Steam wallet code means that we redeem Steam gift cards through this, and we want to select this first option, activate a product on Steam here. So it will show us, and it's gonna say that by entering your code, you will register your product with Steam. Adding it to your library, you can enter a product code distributed with a retail CD or DVD or other Steam product. This is what an example code looks like. So you will just input the code right here, click on confirm, and this will add the game to your Steam library. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.